Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I will be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the Forex analysis for 25th to 29th May 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in XAU USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.73% negative move, 4509.58 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone, which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be marking some important support zone, which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. So let's go straight to a weekly chart and let's talk about the movement. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a bearish candle with a small body and a big lower wick and a big upper wick. Here currently we can see a doji type of candle. Here if I talk about the stochastic RSI is around oversold area, which is around 4.7 level, which is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart. Currently some important support zone and resistance zones are already marked, but currently we need to delete some levels, so I'm deleting these levels. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here important support zones or resistance zones are now marked, and you can mark these levels in your chart as well. Let's now talk about the closing first. So here 4509 is the closing of the direct support is 4478, direct resistance is 4522. After direct support, there is a support of 4450 and then 4425. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 4568 and then 4600. These are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week, and you can mark these levels on your chart as well. Currently, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I've also shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, then do check the links in the description. Also, if you think this prop firm has a strict rules that you won't be able to follow, then you can also open your own live account where you can fund your Forex account, which is GTCFX. You can use GTCFX broker, which is a reputed broker in Dubai. So if you're interested, then you can use that as well. Also, you can join our premium membership. If you're interested, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you how you can join a premium membership, which is absolutely free. So now let's talk about my opinion in gold USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a positive momentum in this range, that is 45.22 to 45.68. I'm expecting a positive closing. But remember, if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once direct support, which is 44.78, gets breached, and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this, and you can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.